Hello students, I hope you are well. Today I explain the another introductory topic of speaking. This is hats. The first question of this topic is that do you like to wear hats? The answer is yes, of course. I'm very fond of wearing different kinds of hats. In summer season, hats protect my head from harmful UV rays of the sun. Similarly, it keeps me warm in winter season. Most importantly, hats makes me more stylish as well as fashionable. The next one, what kinds of hats do you have? Uh, there are various kinds of hats such as baseball, fluffy, flat, Hamburg, Western, etc. But I love to wear Western and baseball hats. I also have some traditional woolen hats which were knitted by my grandmother. I have a great collection of hats in different colors and shapes. The third one, where do you like to buy hats? Well, I always prefer to buy hats online where we have a wide variety of different brands, sizes, and colors. Sometimes I also purchase hats from the market. The next one, have you ever received hats as a gift? Yes, I received beautiful hats as a gift from my sister few months ago. I was very happy to see multicolored hat as a gift. The next one, have you ever lost your hats? No, I never lost my hats in my life. If I lost my hats in the future, I will never bother much about them, but I will be more careful next time. The next question is that when did you start to wear hats? Well, I'm very happy to see that I wear hats since my birth. I still remember my mother bought and knitted colorful and flowery hats with unique designs for me. Is wearing hats popular in your country? The answer is yes, wearing hats are very common in my country. People wear different hats according to the weather, occasion, and culture. The next one, why hats are popular all over the world. I think hats are very versatile and very easy to maintenance, like washing and drying. After this, people feel that they look more attractive and fashionable if they wear hats. The last one, do you prefer to wear branded or non-branded of hats? Actually, I love to wear both types of hats according to the situations. In my daily routine, I mostly wear inexpensive hats, but on special occasions, I always prefer to choose branded one. But I also believe that if we buy expensive or branded hats, they will be better and durable. So I hope this introductory topic would be very useful for your test. For watching my next videos, please like, share and subscribe the channel.